Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you quick about something I recently purchased because my shoes are constantly getting dirty in the wintertime with like dirt and everything. So I went to the store and I purchased Speed Shine Instant Shoe Polisher by Premier. It's really simple to use and it keeps my shoes shiny, and it's way cheaper than like going to a shoe shine place or something like that. And you could use it over and over again a whole bunch of times. I've been using it like every day real quick because I always manage to get like dirt or whatever on my shoe, and this really helps to keep them clean and shiny and looking nice and professional for work. So of course I've been really happy with it. I purchased this several times. Just a little bit about the Premier Speed Shine Instant Shoe Polisher. They are for any color shoe. Comes with a one-step applicator sponge. Great for office or travel. Comes with countless shines. Premier Speed Shine cleans and shines any color shoe in one easy application. There's no mess. Speed Shine is convenient. Keep one at home and another at work. Always, or in my case, one at home and one in my car. Always have a bright, long-lasting shine close at hand. Conditions your shoes with silicone, mink oil, and lemon. Really easy directions. Simply wipe the convenient Speed Shine applicator lightly over each shoe. Sponge side down. And new look. Same great shine, so I guess they changed the packaging around a little bit. Premier, it's quick and easy to use, dries in seconds. Speed Shine Instant Shoe Polisher. There's no mess. Speed Shine is convenient. Keep one at home and another at work. Always have a bright, long-lasting shine close at hand. Conditions your shoes with silicone, mink oil, and lemon. Directions: simply wipe the convenient Speed Shine applicator lightly over each shoe, sponge side down. Manufactured by Premier Brands of America Incorporated, manufactured in 2004 in Mount Vernon, New York, 10550, made in the USA. Caution: do not use on suede, napped finishes, or untanned leather. Some colors may darken slightly. Warning: if ingested, contact a poison control center. So I'm going to take this out of the container so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so you can see my shoes here. I think it's a sponge side down, so I think that's actually this side, but I've been using both, like this, because I feel like this side gets my shoes nice and shiny. Takes any little like dirty marks off, cleans them real good. That's so nice and shiny. I mean, I literally just used this yesterday, so my shoes aren't that dirty since I did just use it, but you know, they always get a little dirt on them. It's from being outside, wintertime, walking through the dirt by my house, stuff like that. So these are perfect for my black boots, as you guys could see. So this is like the two sides. Mine's getting a little dirty. I think I'm gonna have to replace it soon, but I got through an entire season last winter with this one sponge, and it lasted me a great deal of time. So quite a while. It's a very easy, soft sponge. This is like a little harder, but it's definitely not rough on your footwear because it's still very soft. It's just harder. So yeah, easy to use. I just do like a rubbing motion, like it says. You can see I don't know if you could see, I mean I could see, my shoes look really shiny compared to like yesterday before I used them at all. And I could use these on my husband's work shoes and it works really nicely as well. And then I always just keep the box because this fits perfectly back into here. Just slides back in. It's right back in there. And I just keep it, you could keep it in your drawer, whatever the case is. Really easy to use. So this is the original Speed Shine Instant Shoe Polisher. I hope that you guys try it out. I hope you like it, and I really hope you guys found the video convenient and useful. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.